What's up guys? We're back with one day at a time. This is day 5 into this project. Why so long? Why day 5? The reason because this wasn't planned from day 1. As we go along, we keep on coming up with different ideas and and tweaking things around. And on top of that, we gotta wait for the stuff to arrive from Amazon anyways. As you go along, you don't know how long of LEDs you're gonna need, so you order more and to patch it up as you go on. As you can see, I think on day 3 when we installed this light, it ended right here. I mean, most of it snapped off, but even if it didn't snap off, it would have ended around right here. So right now what we're doing is we're patching it up. Well, I ordered more lights, which is right here. I ordered 2 more. One for this frame and one for that frame. And here it is. It just arrived literally like half an hour ago. So I went down here to continue. On day 4, I'm not sure where we left off, but I bought this for the kid mat. It's to lay on the ground so the kid can play on it. And then I taped it up and I spray painted, and that's where you get this letter from, Fun Zone. And I'm expecting when the lights shine onto it, it will illuminate out because it's white. It should be. So today we're gonna complete the LED lights. Pretty much after this, all we're waiting for is the panel to arrive. I'm not sure when. Let me check on that. Friday. Wow, it's taking a long time. So Friday, that's 5 days from now. So I'm gonna finish everything except for that and just wait it out until that complete, and then I'll come back and I'll install the panel on camera also, and that should be it. Panel is probably like a 2-hour job. It is very fast to install, but the only thing, the caulking process afterward when you gotta fill in the gap, that process takes a long time. But anyways, I'm gonna continue installing the light right now, and I'm not sure if I want to spray paint any other type of letters around the room. I wanted, to have something like that, but not to overwhelm it, not too much, because this room is small and limited. So you want to do things according to the room size. You don't want to overdo where it's gonna throw your eyes off. I was thinking about doing like no crying allowed, but that would be too many letters. What I should have done was move this letter closer together, and I'll probably put like a dash here to separate the two. Since the letters are not close together, it looks like it's one word, so I'm gonna draw like a hyphen, like a minus sign, so to separate the 2 words. Right here. Yeah, I'm gonna spray paint this line right here to separate the 2 words. I'm gonna continue installing the lights. The strip actually fit almost perfect, a little bit, maybe 1 foot short, or 2 feet about. Yeah. So this section right here is not gonna have anything, really nothing we can do right there. Cause I think it's more important for us to have light up there than to have it here. Bad planning, because this wire, you're trying to end it near the outlet, not here. Sorry, battery just ran off of the camera. But I was saying this is bad layout, bad planning, because you want the wire to be ending at the outlet, not here. Unless you have an outlet somewhere over here, but we don't, so it's really bad layout. So what you do is really no choice really. I'm not really concerned about the wire ending here, because it is long enough for the wire to reach over, but I'm more concerned about not having light at this part, because it's not going to look like a complete set. Maybe I should have get this is 16 feet strip light. I should have looked for like a 24 or 20. So I'm going to reroute this thing back around, or maybe even up here. Alright, I'm going to plug it in. See? There we have it. The complete set. See how it's 2 different color? That's when you know where it's being patched. But I mean, you can set it the same color. It's the same exact power strip. Just press on the control. So what I gotta do now is take the wire so it doesn't fall down. Alright, so there we have it. Not bad. That wall is completely finished, so you can imagine how's the rest gonna look like. See that? Light all the way around. I'll shut off the light to see what happened. Not bad. That's really nice. See how the LED bring out the spray paint? Perfect. So now over here, I'm gonna patch this part right here. There's no light. I'm gonna patch it all the way over here. And I'm gonna do that off camera. So yeah, I know day 4 and day 5 there's really not much footage. So I'm probably gonna just all blend this all in together in one video. But alright, peace out. See you in I think the next time I'll be on camera is when the panel arrives. So I'll see you then 5 days from now. Peace out.